Hey, Jesse here, Hot Off Wheels. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, this episode, we're going to crack open 4 boxes, a little milk haul. So we got 4 boxes, 2 from J-Car Diecast, a small little eBay purchase. I'll open up on camera, as well as a box from One Stop Diecast. So we'll go ahead and probably open up the 2 J-Cars, because I know they're in cases still. So we'll open those up, have those ready, and let's get right back to it. All right, guys, there it is. We've opened up 2 of the J-Car boxes. And inside, of course, we're in 2 separate cases. And this is the Hot Wheels 2023 72 count P case. So I'm hoping to find another Datsun Bluebird wagon, as you see right there on the wall already. I've got one, happened to get really lucky at a Walmart. And then, of course, we've got a 12 count case of your Hot Wheels pop culture. And there's, of course, your codes. So you may already know what that is if you've been seeing it in stores. Otherwise, we're going to jump right into it. I'm probably just going to let the video speak for itself, the cars speak for itself. I may add a voiceover here and there, but otherwise I'm just going to let the cars speak for themselves. We've got a lot to get through, so let's do it, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for tuning in. And if you haven't already subscribed, I would highly encourage you to hit that follow button, hit that red subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and that way you'll be notified next time I do a peg hunt video or next time I do an unboxing like this. Thanks for tuning in, as always, and wish you all the greatest success and luck if you're out there adding to your collection still. Wish you the best. Let's get to it. All right, here we have it, the Ford Mustang GT, and if you haven't already read on the side there, it is the treasure hunt version. I only spent a couple bucks on eBay for it, and I'm kind of glad I didn't spend any more than I did. It's just not quite the same shade or tint of gold that I thought I was going to have on it. Not a big deal. It's still a nice treasure hunt, and it's still in good shape, good condition. This is back from, I think, 07 or 08. As you can tell, the blue cards, those are older Hot Wheels. But again, pretty decent shape, not a bad treasure hunt. And again, I only spent a couple bucks, and I'm glad I didn't spend much more than I did on that one. With that being said, definitely look forward if you're after it. If you're a Ford Mustang fan, that might be something you're interested in. With that being said, we're going to jump right into this One Stop Diecast, and I had completely forgot what I ordered, but come to find out it was something my wife had ordered. I had no idea. I was like, I don't remember ordering anything, but maybe it was something I pre-ordered or something a while back. With that being said, check out the old Heartbeat of America Chevy 454 SS. It's just the mainline version, to my knowledge. I don't believe it's the chase version. Usually your chase versions have different trim color and stuff like that. So I believe it's just your normal version there, but it's still a nice Chevy 454. A lot of nice details, very clean Chevy there. And on to the next Moon Eyes Chevy as well. Definitely a clean one also. And that 454 with the Moon Eyes, moon equipment, and whatever. Deco on it. Definitely nice. The bed doesn't quite match up perfectly with the cab. It's a little off kilter, if you will. But I might open that one up and I may be able to fix that one myself. Not a big deal. It's still a nice piece regardless. But yeah, let me know if you're an M2 Machines fan or a collector. You know, those may be something you're after, or you may just be like me, typically, where you only try to get chase pieces if you find them in stores. I'm not sure if we'll see those in stores. They may be hobby exclusives. I really don't know. My wife had ordered them. You might find them maybe eventually at a Hobby Lobby potentially. But again, don't quote me on that. I'm not 100%. Probably it's probably hobby exclusive. I don't think you'll see them at Walmart or anything like that, to my knowledge. But let's get right into the next Hot Wheels box from, I think this is from J-Car Diecast. But enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Wish you all the best of luck finding this set in store, because it's going to be a popular one for sure. Starting with 3 of the cool combis, and again, I'll let the cards speak for themselves. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on the pop culture. And you know, there's no chases in case you didn't know, or if you're just now getting into it and you're wondering, is there a chase in these? These are the pop culture Hot Wheels premiums. There's not any chase pieces to be had in pop culture. It's only usually car culture that you'll find the chases in. So that being said, thanks for watching as always, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. We'll be jumping into the Hot Wheels 72 count case here in a second, but enjoy the rest of this little pop culture set. Definitely a nice one. I look forward to even finding them in store. I know a lot of local buddies are gonna be looking for them. I mean, I've got enough for myself, but I'll be looking for some for people in my local area. But Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright, we're getting darn near tooting to the bottom of that case. We're getting pretty close to the end of Hot Wheels 2023 P case. With that being said, I know a lot of you are going to be asking, what are you doing with all these cars? Sure is a lot of cars for one person, one collector, right? Not to worry, I'm actually splitting them with my brother and father-in-law, who are also collectors. And then I'm going to be doing some Halloween giveaways. And then, of course, whatever I have left over is for duplicates and fantasy stuff. I'm going to be doing some toy drives here toward the end of the year. I'll be doing some donations for toy drives and things like that. Always looking for ways to give back to kids and the community and whatnot. But with that being said, thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, I appreciate any support with hitting the thumbs up, hitting that red subscribe button, dropping a comment. All those things help YouTube to promote my content, my channel, and all that, and I appreciate the support truly. Hope you have some great luck and success, and I hope you have better luck than I did with pulling that Heat 510 wagon out of here. Let me know your thoughts on the Super. Is it one you're after? Is it the color? Is it the casting? What is it about it that you do or don't like? Drop me a comment. Always interested to hear your thoughts and opinions. But best of luck on y'all pulling that banger out of it, the Super Treasure Hunt or the Treasure Hunt, whatever cars you may be after. Until next time, guys, take care of yourselves and each other. Be kind.